Let's make this very quick. Center C and all C's on the piano starting from left to right. The first one you touch is the third key. Second one you touch, third one you touch, fourth one you touch brings you to center C. That means just before center C, we connect with the original A to G, which is the gematria numbers. Then we get 24. So we get 1, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, 7. When we run from right to left, the first key is C. The next key is 8, is the center C. We get 1, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, 7, 5 at the end. The 50th key. So the total is 4, 18, 32 is the doorway. We meet Mars and the Queen. This is 15. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals to 15. It becomes equal to each other. This is your doorway. This is 46. This is your time. Altered current in the birth of Venus. Pluto meets Venus, and where Saturn meets Pluto. Because in this position, where 9 is taken over by 6, and 2 is taken over by 9. Inside this position, this is your Jesus creation of the church and electric company. So I'm assuming that it's the power that brought Back to the Future and the energy from the clock. Together it's 74. 7 times 4 equals the cycle. 45, the sun comes into DC and we match at 88, H and H. And the last two come together as 102, 162. 162 is 81, 2 times Venus center C. So the center C will match first one, second one, third one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Fourth and fourth is 46, but this is not center C. This is one before the center C. First C, this is the fourth C. This is the fourth C, but the fourth C on this one brings you to center C. This one does not. This one brings you to Grover Cleveland on one side, and this one brings you to Grover Cleveland on the other side. Now, this works perfect if we were looking at the presidents, because the 24th and the 22nd president was Grover Cleveland. So we're going to jump over this and look at 4, 9, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7. Now, center C, from the left to right, are these numbers here. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4. 2 times 9, 2 plus 9. The total is 38. The total is 58. These are the angels. Total is 96. Total is 8 and 18, 26. 6 and 11, 17. 8 and 8, 8 and 8. 43 DC. You will find the same thing as the Q and the Z is now found on the number 1 on the debit machines, in which this one used to be on the key number 7 on your old phone, and this one used to be on the Z, which is now on the 1 on your old phone. The total here would be 43 and 16 when you bring it down to the Pythagorean total of 49 or 77. 4 times 3, 4 plus 3 brings the letter S. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 equals 6 and 5. 7 and 6, 13, 19, 32 the doorway. This number will create 11, creates 2. This number over here, 42 and 15, 57, creates the moon and the doorway. 57, 67, 77, 87, 89 in the high sky. It'll be reduced to 52 Earth, 17 the Queen, 51 Mars, and 11, and now they both meet. Bicentennial means half of. Well, bicentennial is that 200 years? If bicentennial is 200, then a whole centennial would be 400. 3 plus 1 year, the extra year for the cycle. That's why we see bicentennial. Raphael, 7286, and a constellation of Pegasus. This is a basic for the piano. Inside the piano, I'm going to do the second to last key here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, but the fourth one is in the middle. So 3 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 3 to the left, 1 to the middle, 4 to the right. There's a total of 8 because the first one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 C's. Now when you get to the center C, you have gotten 4 to the center C, then 1, then 3. Here it's 3, then 1, then 4. Here it's 4, then 1, then 3. Just basic. So if you would be taking in the center C, the opposite side of center C would be 36 and 17 are the real numbers to match. and that's your 53. And then all of them would be 53, 10, 43, 350. The opposite of the same number is where the first one is 50, 53. The second one is 43 and 10. The third one is 36 and 17. Then it's 29, birth into the 9 lives of the cat. Then it's 53, life, altered current. Then over here where Mars sets in, inside the church. And here is where the heavens created, 0868. This is communication. Now this one over here is now created over here with the church. This one here, 45, this is the sun pass, the arches of the sun pass, because this one is the hole. It stands for the foxhole. Another thing I wanted to mention, I'm always mentioning 56 and 65. Well, the 56 happens to be the same number to the wolf. I will be working on this and showing you how this works, okay? This is a special board, and in this board, we'll be starting it in a next video, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.